Hi guys. Today I have to organize my basket. This is from my bathroom. I took it upstairs because my bathroom's a mess, but I'm spring cleaning and doing this whole organizing series. So today we're gonna go through all of this crap. There's so much in here. Oh, so much. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to start by just emptying out this basket completely, and then we'll go through everything, putting it back in. Alright, so we've got makeup stuff, face stuff, bath and body stuff, hair stuff. So I'm going to start by deciding what I'm keeping and what I'm going to be moving back up here or leaving up here, I guess. And then once we've done that, I'll do a fast forward of me organizing everything, putting it away, and let's get started on this shit. These two headbands I'm going to for sure be keeping downstairs. My terry cloth one that I use when I do masks and stuff. And I've got my pink kitten ears that I use to keep my hair out of the way when I do my makeup. Primers. I'm going to go with the pore filler on this one and leave this one up here. Same with the foundations. I'm going to take the BB downstairs and leave the Superstay upstairs. My concealer. That concealer and the BB cream I actually don't need to set, so I'm going to take this upstairs for filming. Everyday eyeshadow, absolutely my Maybelline City Mini. That is going downstairs for sure. I do not need my Stila huge ass mascara down there because this is basically what I use instead of falsies. And I'm actually gonna take the Lash Paradise out too, and I'm gonna swap that for my Avon True Color because this is a brown mascara, which is natural for me. I'm also going to take out the Stila Stay All Day liner, and I'm going to replace it with a brown Avon Glimmer Stick. My Avon Brow Pencil I'm gonna keep down there. Bronzer I'm gonna leave upstairs. Chapstick, staying. This is ancient and I need to throw it out, so that's going in the garbage. This is for a beauty blender, which I'm no longer keeping downstairs, so I'm gonna leave that up here. My lip plumper I'm also gonna keep down there for days when I want a little bit more than chapstick. I've got two liquid lips as well as a bullet lipstick, which I'm gonna swap out for a sparkly gloss. For the Avon True Color gloss in peach. As for blush, I'm going to leave it as the Amazonian Clay in Quirky. I'm keeping this guy for my BB cream, and I'm going to add this one for my blush instead of using a chunkier one because the handles are much smaller. Eyeshadow brushes, I've just got my 3 basic crown brushes. Spoolie for the brows. This I actually keep downstairs just for trimming my eyebrows and my boyfriend's eyebrows. And that's all the makeup. Hair stuff. I pretty much use all of this, so literally all of this is gonna be staying. We've got a hair elastic, my one and only hairbrush. I've got a teasing comb, my Marc Anthony hair oil, the Batiste dry shampoo in cherry, Herbal Essences Tassels Mousse, Marc Anthony coconut oil hairspray. This is a travel size. And a Mega Silk heat protection spray, which I want to replace with a better one, but this one will have to do for now because it's all I got. Face stuff. Brow tweezers. I've got these two and I really don't think I like this at all. So I'm going to take this out and give it to someone else probably because I don't use it. I like this one better because it gets into all of my lines and creases and whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'm keeping this one. I've got 2 masks. The Aloe Rescue, which I'm saving for a sunburnt day. Lip mask, which I still need to use because my lips are miserable and getting over winter. I have the Chaleur Thermalzyme mask, which I'm still using and loving. I've got a little squeezy mask that we just saw in my Ipsy, which I'm keeping down there to use at some point. Got these 2 Avon things, and this is really good. So I'm keeping this in here. This is a spot treatment. This one is a pore strip, a liquid pore strip, and it sucks ball sacks. So I'm getting rid of this. This is an exfoliating mask from Ipsy, again, that I have yet to use. So that's going in there. I have a toner that I'm trying to finish up, an eye cream that I'm trying to finish up, and a Nivea Essentials face lotion, which I thought would be good for my skin and turns out isn't. So I'm giving this to a friend, but I have yet to replace it, so I'm kind of just using enough of it to survive at the moment. Body stuff. We've got a lavender foot bath stuff, which is currently in my Use It Up project. And all 4 of these are also in my Use It Up project. I'm almost done this one and this one. So these ones are staying. Baby powder, because it's almost summer. I have my Havana Soul body spray, which I prefer this one more in the winter because it's a deeper, like, spicier scent. So I'm actually going to switch this one out for my Naked Love Peach Spray. This is from one of the Mark collections, and this one is much more light and summery. The Pure Lease coffee scrub sample. I've got my 3 perfume samples that I'm working on. A cortisone cream that I was using because my winter dry patches were just that bad. I'm going to take this one out now and put it back with my first aid stuff. I have a deep cleaning Manuka honey and tea tree oil clay mask. I don't like as much as I thought I did. It worked really well for the first few times. It left me feeling very oily after, so I'm going to be giving this to somebody else. And lastly, I have 3 different deodorants. I have this crystal one, which is almost done skis. Like, there's hardly anything left in there. I love this stuff. It doesn't stop you from sweating, but it keeps you from stinking, which is just fine with me, especially in the winter when I'm not really sweating anyway. This one is also almost done, and this is the Adidas Fitness Fresh. I love the smell of this one, and this one's also almost done, but this is like more my summer and doing stuff deodorant. This I'm just getting rid of because I actually really hate the smell of it, and it's Avon. So, that's it. Let's get all that stuff organized in the basket. And voila, that's it, that's all. She is good and organized. One more thing down.